Hello DB Besties and welcome back to the Design Bundles YouTube channel. Today we are continuing our series that still doesn't have a name, so if you have a name for this series, please let us know in the comments below. But this series is things you didn't know that were included in your Plus membership that are. Let me think of a better way to say that. Things on the Design Bundles site that are included in your Plus membership that you probably didn't know about. That's the long version of this series. We need a better name for it, so please help us in the comments below. But we're continuing that series today. If you haven't been following along, make sure you look back at the past videos in this series. We've covered quite a few things that are really fun that you probably didn't know you get with your Plus membership. So be sure to check those out. We'll link them in the description below. But today, we're continuing it with educational files because it's summer. And because it's summer, your kids are probably home. So if you're anything like me, you're looking for stuff for them to do. And I want them to do fun things all summer. And of course, we're gonna do some very fun crafts, but I also want them to keep up the learning. So if you're anything like me, you hop on Etsy and you go look for educational activities or what have you. But look no further, we have a bunch included with your Plus membership. So let's check it out. Okay, so you're gonna go to designbundles.net and you're gonna go up here to templates. And under templates, you can see there's a lot of things that we haven't explored yet that you might be excited to explore that are also included in your Plus membership. But today, we're gonna focus on this one right here, educational templates. Okay, so one thing you're gonna wanna do before you just jump right in is you're gonna wanna scroll down and make sure you're showing only Plus products because we're talking about things that are included in your Plus membership today. If you wanna buy things outright, you can exclude Plus products and look at things that you can just purchase. But if you have a Plus membership, let's look at the ones that are included. So we're gonna make sure that we are using this toggle to show only Plus products. You can also filter even more with printables, worksheets, school things, homeschool things, single items, bundles, what type of file you might be looking for, or you can kind of narrow it down and look at other things within the templates category. But let's just kind of see what jumps out at us. We can also change our filter from best match to either the newest products or the oldest products if you want to look at it that way. Quick side note, if you don't have a Plus membership, now is a great time for you to try one out. You can start a free trial if you've never done a free trial before. And not only do you get access to our Plus library that we're going to talk about here in just a second that has millions of files in it. Just in the educational templates section, we have 3,526 files included with your Plus membership. But also you get access to all of our amazing software, including the brand new Design Bundles Creator, which is our all-in-one tool for creating crafting files, editing crafting files, and so much more. So if you've never started a Plus membership, it's a great time to do it. So let's look at what we got. Okay, so first off, this first one, hold on, this is so cute. I love count and write stuff because my daughter is 4 and this is something she desperately needs to practice. I like that it includes the order in which they need to do each stroke. That's really nice. And it's showing them how to write the word for the number and also write the number itself. So that one's great right off the jump. And you can see there's just a ton of stuff in here. We've got reward charts, we've got Bible verse stuff. So if you're doing VBS this summer, or you want to include that in your curriculum, if you're a homeschool parent, or maybe just something you want your kids to do over the summer, I love these cute little cards. They're really nice to help kids learn simple Bible verses that will help them in life. Also love a little game. There's lots of cute little activities and games. This is a little printable board game almost where they can roll a dice and move their piece through the board, but it's helping them with rhyming and reading. Love stuff like that. We've got all these math activities. Here's 3rd grade math, holiday games, language arts worksheets. All of these are included in your Plus membership. And normally you'd be paying $10+ for these bundles of worksheets on Etsy. They're included in your Plus membership. So especially if you're a homeschool parent, Plus membership is really gonna pay for itself because you're getting so many resources. Henry heard about learning and he had to come check it out. I also love that this includes coloring activities. Let me show you a few that I've already looked at. My kids are both really into coloring right now, and I feel like it's just a lot. This one is days of the week coloring, and it also includes flashcards, and it again shows them how to write the word. So that is super cute. And I love this ocean life coloring worksheet. Same thing, it's gonna show them how to write the word and then they can color in the word, but they also have a cute little ocean life picture to color. So we love that. This is the 3rd grade math. It's got lots of printables included in it. Again, you'd be paying like so much for these on Etsy and they're included in your Plus membership. We've also got cute little Sudokus. I think this is like a really fun thing to introduce kids to and it can keep them busy over the summer. I may start with like some simple 3x3s or 2x2s even for my son this summer. I think he would really enjoy those. We've also got centers activities. So again, if you're a homeschooling parent or you know someone who is, these are like invaluable little center activities for them to do. Lots of phonics stuff, more centers. Here's geography and oceans of the world. Again, so cute and laid out and it's all like done for you. Amazing. We've also got things that are like simpler for younger kids, like feelings flashcards. Oh, and these are my favorite. I don't know if I said reward charts, but those are in here too. But let me show you a couple of these. I've found these before in here and I think these are so fun, especially if you're like hosting a gathering or a party at your house where there's gonna be kids. These like printable placemats are so fun. It's like the things that keep your kids busy at a restaurant. You can have them at your house. So I love these. This is a rainbow themed one. Here's a Christmas themed one. There's several of these in this section and I think they're so creative and kids love them. Little get well soon cards, beginning blends for like learning to read. There's also like more advanced things. Like we've got this reading passage where kids have to like do some comprehension and like actually read the passage. This is at a 1st grade level, but there's plenty of these throughout this section. Dot art, my kids love dot art. Oh, these little pretend play worksheets, these get me so excited because my kids love doing stuff like this. But like, this is a little doctor's office one where you can cut out the different things, but it has like an appointment card and a treatment card and like a health screening and they can like pretend like they're running a hospital or like running a little doctor's office. I think that is so fun. We have money activities, I Spy alphabet stuff with like different fonts for them to like read so they can practice reading things that aren't like just in one font. We've got first and last day of school signs. That's gonna be here before you know it. Chore charts, games, measuring activities, classroom posters, memory card games. My daughter would love this because it's mermaid themed, but you just cut it out and then you have a flashcard game. This is something that I feel like very on target for right now. We have like a My Summer daily routine. So you could do this with your kids and then hang it up somewhere and they could kind of get in the groove of having some sort of routine over the summer as much as we possibly can. And then we also have a summer bucket list, which is so fun for kids to do. My kids' summer bucket list would be go to the pool, go to the pool, go to the pool, go to the pool, and go to the pool. Color by number sheets. There's so much in here. Here's another like Bible themed one, an Old Testament word search. Very fun if you're doing VBS this summer. There's just like so much in here. And again, there's over 3,500 files included with your Plus membership in the educational templates section of our website. So you could really spend an afternoon just like digging through these and pulling all the different ones that you want. I do want to draw your attention to 2 things if you decide to download some of these, which you definitely should. One is don't forget that we have a favorite feature. So you can actually favorite things that maybe you want for later, or maybe you see something that would be great like at Christmas time, but not quite yet. You can favorite it and then you can, using the little heart right here. And then when you go to your account, you can actually go to your favorites right here. So you can save things for later that you might not be ready to download. The second thing I want to draw your attention to is we have a new download like style that some of you might not be familiar with yet. It's been out for like maybe a month and a half. But now when you click download, you're going to get this little pop-up and it's going to show you all the included files in that pack instead of taking you to a whole different page. So this just makes downloading things a little bit easier, a little bit quicker, a little more self-explanatory, and hopefully it helps you find what you're looking for more efficiently. So we hope you love that. Let us know what you think about it in the comments below. I think it's really nice, especially when there's something that has multiple files in it. Let me see if I can find one that's like that. Here, perfect example. This is like a teacher appreciation card, but maybe I know that I just need like the PDF, or there's not a PDF with this. Maybe I know that I need like the transparent background PNG. Well, it's right here. I can go ahead and just click download and it's gonna download it straight to my computer. And then here's the other versions of that file that I can download if I want them as well. But that way I'm not having to download a bunch of stuff I don't really need. I can just get exactly what I want and then get out. Okay, friends, that is the educational templates section of our website. So there are many things that are included in your Plus membership that you probably don't know about. And this is just one of them. So again, check out the rest of this series if you haven't already. It'll really help you maximize your Plus membership if you already had one. And if you don't have a Plus membership yet, I'm hoping it will show you what you could be getting included in your membership if you tried it out. Yeah, I hope you loved this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. And let us know what you want to see next in the comments below. Okay, friends, I'm gonna go download some things for my son to do today because clearly he's home. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna go do like some color by number or something. I will talk to you guys very soon, but until next time, happy crafting!